Hello everyone, I am Renita and today I will be showing some beautiful Mashru Katan Banarasi sarees. These are semi-mushroom but fabric is very premium. Starting with this beautiful purple color. This is the pleats portion of the saree and this is the pallu. Beautiful Mashru Banarasi saree. पूरा साड़ी में ऐसे आरा डिजाइन है with मीनाकारी. This is the saree. Let me show you the design. This is the design in the entire body of the saree. Pallu is like this. This is the blouse. Price is 4,500. Now showing this pink color and this Mashru Katan. This is the pleats of the saree. Same price, 4,500. The color is hot pink. This is the pallu of the saree. Pallu is also having tassel in it. This is the design. Blouse piece. This one is beautiful pale pink color. This is the pleats of the saree and pallu. And very soft. Being a mushroom, the quality will be absolutely very premium. This is the pallu. This is the color of the saree. This is a very uncommon shade of pink. बहुत ही बढ़िया blouse piece. 4,500 is the price. Now showing one peach color in this saree. Pleats, pallu. This color is also very nice and this is the blouse. সামনে কোনো বিয়ে বাড়ি আছে, একদম ঝটপট এরকম একটা শাড়ি নিয়ে নিতে পারেন। প্রাইসি শাড়ি না, ভীষণ রিজনেবল প্রাইসে অসাধারণ একটা শাড়ি, মানে পরলে মনে হবে বেশ একটা ভালো প্রাইসি শাড়ি পরেছেন, বাট দ্য প্রাইস ইজ only 4,500. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Our store location is Kolkata, Kakurgachi Uttarakhand Shopping Complex. Please do visit our shop in Kolkata. Thank you.